Welcome back to the channel. I know that for some of you, this might seem obvious since you are well versed in using the Linux shell, but I'm sure there are many of you who are unaware of the power of the help command. In many videos created by my colleagues, I see extensive use of cd, ls, rm, all intertwined and often leading to forgetfulness and confusion. I believe that to truly learn how to use the shell, you need to practice a lot and equip yourself with a proper manual. One universally recognized resource is the Linux Command Line by William Schatz. Look it up online and download it. But the one command you should never forget is help. Just type help followed by the name of a shell built-in command you want to understand, like help ls or help cd, and the terminal will provide you with a brief guide on what the command does and the options you can use. For everything else where help doesn't work, you can use man. Just type man followed by the command you're curious about, like man grep, man sudo, or even man blah blah blah. Keep practicing, and after a couple of weeks or months, the terminal will become your best friend. Help, man, please. Thanks for watching.